Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. People are talking too much about freelancing and want to become a freelancer. So I decided to make a video series on a freelancing. Today we will learn about what is freelancing, job, and the difference between job and freelancing. First of all, I will tell you I am a professional freelancing and doing proper freelancing without any job since 2015. I did the master degree in IT from PUCIT, Punjab University, Lahore. Freelancing is like a contractor that we dot the work and complete it and finally get the money. It's not a job. In job, the income is fixed. We do the same work every day. Means the routine is same every day. In job, income is fixed. There is no risk in the job. You go to the office and got the fixed salary. In most offices, job start timing is fixed, but return to home is not fixed. For example, in most of the software houses, late sitting is a routine matter with no benefit. If boss is little bit good, usually they give you the dinner only. In job, if you will come to office 5 minutes late, they will give you a long lecture, and also they minus your money from your pay. They will also insult you in a very sweet word. I hope you understand about the sweet words which I want to tell you. Some sweet words are very harsh for the employee. There are daras in an office where the employee places the mobile before the start of the work and get the mobile when the job time is finished. In job, the person usually live hand to mouth. In business or freelancing, people can earn unlimited amount. In job, you work all the day for the boss, not for himself. In freelancing, the income is not fixed. You can earn 10, 100, 500, $5,000 and many more. For freelancing, you need a separate room, good laptop, and the best internet connection. That's it. Now the question is that what type of work in freelancing? Normally in internet world, freelancing is to sit on a computer and do work. For example, graphic designing, programming, content writing, photography, English Urdu teaching, accounting, bookkeeping, data entry, Quran teaching, etc. Simply we can say all those work which we can do on a computer is a freelancing. We can say freelancing is a business. In a business, if we take more risk and work hard, then definitely we will progress leap and bounds. If you are a good freelancer and you are punctual, hard work, then definitely you will get the permanent alliance. Then you can hire more staff to make your own software house or firm. There are a lot of websites on internet for freelancing. For example, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, etc. I will tell you about the best website for freelancing in future lecture. There are a lot of benefits of freelancing. We can say flexibility. We can set our own timing for freelancing. We can work on selected projects that match your skills and interest. Also in freelancing we can set in your own rates. In freelancing we can improve our skill set very well. In freelancing we have a chance to get a big client and get good money. I recommend you that you must to do a job 2 to 4 years so that you know how tough to do a job rather than a freelancing. Then you start your career in freelancing. For freelancing, you must be a skillful, hard work, honest, punctual. Then you can do a freelancing and definitely you will succeed in a freelancing field. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.